What's up, guys? 120 hours, Super Street's Week to Wicked build-up. I'm here with Pete, the marketing director for Energy Suspension, and Pete's going to go over some of the product he has for our S2000 project.
So for the S2000, we have pretty much everything that you're going to need. Every moving part that needs to be connected on the car, we have a bushing for it. We've got the differential bushings here, rack and pinion bushings, sway bar bushings, control arm bushings, front and rear for this car. So it's everything that you're going to need to get a tighter and more responsive performance out of your S2000.
Cool, and I noticed some of the parts are red, some of them are black, typically. What's the difference between the two?
There is no difference. You can simply choose red or black on your build by adding an R or a G to the part number.
Okay, and then I noticed there's a couple of different sway bar sizes, and that's for the different years, I'm assuming?
Yeah, there are 4 different sway bar sizes on the S2000, and so the customer needs to find out what is on their car and order accordingly.
Right, and this is an OEM piece, which is a little bit worn, as compared to one of your guys' pieces. And talk a little bit about that.
So we try and tune our suspension products so that we're a good compromise between street and track. The OE bushings tend to go more toward comfort, and even in a car like the S2000. So we try to fine-tune our formulas in order to get the best compromise between performance handling and comfort on the road.
And it looks like, comparing the two, even the notches are the same, just like the OEM.
Yeah, we go for an OE installation.
So a lot of times guys are upgrading springs, coilovers, a lot of different bars. How important is this portion of the suspension?
It's super important. Bushings connect the moving pieces of your car and have a huge impact on your handling and the feel of the car. So oftentimes when somebody's building a performance suspension, they go right to the fancy stuff. They go right to the springs and the coilovers.
The shiny stuff.
The shiny stuff, and often overlook the bushings. I find bushings to be very exciting because they have such a huge impact on your car. And they're relatively affordable. You know, sometimes it takes a little bit of work to install, but if you're in your car, whether you're doing a full suspension build like you guys are doing here, or you're just servicing ball joints, if you've got your car apart, it's always a great time to upgrade your bushings for improved handling.
While it's open,
while you're in there, absolutely.
Sounds good, Pete. So I actually have this kit in my personal car, also 2001 S2000. I know how much of a difference it makes. Let's get this in there.
Absolutely.
All right.
Let's do it.
Thanks, Pete.
Thank you.